WGN's Marcella Raymond, who is standing by live right now at Chicago's all but deserted O'Hare Airport. Marcella?
I'm telling you, Bob, I have never seen O'Hare this quiet. Never since I have lived here. It should have been the busiest travel weekend since Thanksgiving, but the snow really has put a damper on things. So now nearly 250,000 people are stranded somewhere. 500 cots are set up live at O'Hare. Marcella Raymond, WGN News.
Marcella, thank you. And be sure to keep it right here on WGN as Chicagoland digs out of this major winter storm.
There we go. Walk on over there, baby.
We built a snowman.
Baby girl.
Giant President destroyed it.
Baby girl. Turn around, Layla. Look at me. Ooh, you on videotape. Look at my baby. Want to touch the snow? Look at the snow. You see that snow? Yeah. Snow. Snow, snow, snow. Snow. Okay, you want to walk over there? Look at Rushan now. Go over there with the trees. The truck just drove off. Got stuck in the snow. Okay. Get the whole backyard. Big tall tree. Man over there shoveling snow. Tow truck.
How much we did? Last time we was over there.
Yeah. Baby girl. Don't you want to go play with the snow? Close the door. Close the door.
How am I supposed to let them sit in there?
Who?
The fingers.
Until they warm up. Stop tingling and being swelled up. Do. Here, come over here with me. Come on. Get out of there, Rashawn. Stay out of there. And just
We gotta chop it up and we gotta make a big old damn pile like that. What are you talking about?
That's too far over. Work with a little at a time. That's all you do. And work on this side. Throw it over here.
Finished.
No, I'm saying work along here. Throw that snow on the side of the fence. Over there, Ishmael. Getting cold. My baby is so low over the snow. This is how tall that snow is, and this is how short my baby is. You inches over my baby girl. Go down there, baby. Walk over there. Baby girl. Layla, walk over there. You see Shia? Go over there with Shia. Walk up there with Shia. Shia's shoveling the stairs off. Nursing home where I work. And I gotta be there in a little while too. Girl, again, over this all the snow. Big old pile of snow. And Ishmael was showing them down there. I am. I'm finna pull up the door.
Not long as I got sun. Going to the block. Then after that, 15-minute break. After that, how do y'all get to work? How do y'all? Get up before we get out of here. Y'all doing a real good job. Doing a real good job. And that's how I feel to work together. Ain't that you work together?
Love them up, Erica.
Now you're shy, y'all change the tactics. Y'all work another way. Do what y'all was doing at first. Do what y'all was doing at first. Keep working together. Work from the same direction. I don't go in the same direction. Okay, y'all keep working together though. You work together and work together, pushing in one direction, then you can get more done. Don't let them stay there too long. Yeah, what you say, T?
She want to shovel snow, T.
Okay, well you go up there and grab some of the snow and push it over. Huh? Let's go and get some of the big pieces and push it over if you want to.
Yes, baby.
Shaq. I did.
Hmm?
What's that?
A Jeep. Oh, that's snow, baby. Snow. You see that snow? Snow on your gloves? I'm about to go to work, baby. I see snow on your hand, on your gloves. Go down there where your brother's at. Go down there where your brother's at. Uh-oh. Go ahead, baby.